Next is Smith Cotton Sound Effects. They will be singing Somebody to Love, soloists Riley Blankenship, Cameron Briggs, Marcus Newland, Vincenzo Reynolds, Jordan Beard, and Jaden Clark. You've Got a Friend, soloists Rayleigh Curry, Leia Goodwin, and Brianna Barr.
You've Got a Friend in Me, soloist Malin Moore and Abby Caballero. Count on Me, soloist Aaron Bilberg. Down to Earth, soloist Riley Blankenship and Arden Chubb. When Love Takes Over, soloist Skylar Harding, Tegan Berger, Anna Johnston, and Hannah Tippett.
Directed by Norma Sproles, choreographed by Elizabeth Baldwin. Welcome to the stage, Smith Cotton Sound Effects.
Is she out there? Is she out there? Love, love. Is she out there? I just need somebody to love. This morning I get up at night, can barely stand on my feet. Take a look in the mirror and cry. Oh, don't you do it to me? gotta get out of this prison cell. Someday I'm gonna be free, Lord. Find me somebody to love. 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 Somebody, somebody, anybody find me somebody to love. When you're down and troubled, and you need a helping hand, and nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest nights. You just call, you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you got to do is call, and I'll be there. Yes, I will. You got a friend. If the sky above you should turn dark and full of clouds, and that old north wind should begin to blow, keep your head together and call my name out loud. Soon I'll be knocking upon your door. You just call, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. your old pal said, oh, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Baby, but I will never love you the way I do. Just me and you, girl. That's the years of life. Our friendship never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You're gonna see it's our destiny. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. A friend in me.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. And if you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you.
When we all go to help our friends in need, you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. 'Cause I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Yeah, yeah, you'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. 'Cause I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. You can count on me 'cause I can count on you.
I never thought that it'd be easy, 'cause we're both so distant now. And the walls are closing in on us, and we're wondering how.
No one has a solid answer, but you're still walking in the dark. And you see the look on my face, it just tears me apart. So we fight, and we cry and cry and cry and cry. And we live and we learn and we try and try and try and try. So it's up
To you, and it's up to me that we meet in the middle
on our way back down to earth,
down to earth, down to earth. On our way back down to I never thought that it'd be easy, 'cause we're both so distant now. And the walls are closing in on us, and we're wondering how.
It's complicated, it always is. That's just the way it goes. Feels like I've waited